Right guys, we've just landed in Skipton. Last time we was here we didn't go around the castle, but now we're just going to have a quick go around the castle and then we're going to do the Skipton Castle river walk that's behind the castle after that. Then we're going to go and get some hiking stuff ready for Scotland next week, and then we're going to go and have a few pints and a bit of pub grub. By the way guys, I've got a new camera. This is my phone that I'm using, but I got a new camera. I ordered it last night and it's coming to 6 o'clock today, so we can't wait for this. Right guys, we're in the castle grounds now and we've actually got our tent with us. So what we're going to do, we're going to hide in the castle somewhere, wait till everyone's gone and locked up, and we're going to do a stealth camp. Aren't we, babe?
That's where you counted.
Yeah. Oh!
I'd love it.
I'd love to.
Should we start there and go work round?
I think.
I don't know. Well, I won't mind one, yeah, but apparently they've got reenactors on today as well.
Which I'm excited for.
It's not a big castle, is it really? Tea rooms. We'll start here and we'll go in a big circle round, yeah? I don't know. Well, I don't know what you want though, do I? What? Smells good, doesn't it? Yeah. Oh God. Give me your money now, Sinead. Give me all your money. Oh, little bow and arrows. Oh God, Sinead. Look at those helmets. 155 quid.
Well, I could be doing
What a helmet? Oh, you'll get a bloody helmet later. You.
$5.95,
Oh, yeah.
6
Huh?
quid for that necklace there. Medieval ring.
That's nice.
I'll do one of them. Which one have you got?
Sorry, love.
You're alright.
Oh. You need a step ladder now.
I know, but
Oh, you can sell their own sweets and honey. Lovely. Raspberry. Pavlova handmade fudge. Lovely. Skipton Castle, lemon curd, whiskey, marmalade, Old English breakfast. Like an old church, isn't it?
yeah, it'd probably be really pretty.
Yeah, I'll slay people to death. Go. Can you get out this way? If you pay, you should be allowed in every room. Look how worn down that is. Wow.
It's a big,
Babe. You smell fire. What? I bet it's well on to it now. Oh, shh.
I know, I did exactly the same.
You can't see.
Do it, very carefully.
It's only a little tiny step as well.
I can see it, but it keeps on flying.
Yeah.
And this is another arrow, the other one,
Oh, excellent.
blocked off.
I don't know why they put a bar there, like, as if they think you're gonna fall
I think
out.
that wasn't there before. That's been put there.
Maybe, yeah,
In
yeah.
modern times.
There's no way we'd squeeze through it.
Hey, but ours could get through.
Yeah, that's it, love.
dead end.
Oh,
Are we people coming down?
yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Why?
Is this all it is?
How'd you get in?
Did that leave you going there or no?
No.
Right, so that means you can't.
Yeah, but I want to get in.
But you can't.
Yeah, but I've paid. I want to see every little bit.
I'd honestly just live up there.
I'm going to climb over. When they...
Up there then.
You can have a look. It's gated off, like,
It's like
but
two big rooms that you can see.
I'm going to climb over in a bit. Shade.
Edmund, come back out, please. That goes down to that dungeon, we'll look it up there if you don't hear it.
Oh. Right, Sinead, come on. We're going ghost hunting. Oh. This is the...
Smells like her basement.
It does. This is the dungeon.
One in
The dungeon of death.
Hey, don't do that to me ever. I don't like that.
The dungeon of death. Got footprints there, look. The dungeon, eh? See, it would have had a gate on back in day, wouldn't it?
Let people know.
It's like these people do. Oh yeah.
That on camera.
Thanks, love. Babe, look at this here. You smell like fruit and bread and stuff. They got a fire going. You alright? Is this what they would have made back in the day?
Oh yes, definitely, yeah. Oh, yeah. This is
The good old English staple diet.
oh, definitely, yes.
Yeah, Sinead, you need it, toilet. Oh wow, that goes straight down into the river, look. And that, guys, is behind the castle where we're going to go soon, to the river. It's like a river hike. The long drop. I think that's like a flint knap for lighting fires, yeah.
Musket ball or something, so that was quite interesting. Do you know what that is?
Is it a flint knap? You know, for making fires?
Yeah. There are bits of flint in there. The
Is
only
there?
thing I'm not allowed to demonstrate it here because of the fire risk.
Yeah.
Sparks getting through the floor, so...
They've got a fire going in that room.
Well, that's the stone floor.
Stone floor, yeah,
It's got lots of flammable stuff.
yeah.
Sorry?
How's your 17th
I'm
century
oh,
reading?
the funny one is yes, isn't it?
That's all right for it.
Good easy. You alright?
We had it was a similar thing somewhere in the UK. When it was a school trip, and it was like back into these days.
Yeah. That tree is absolutely amazing. I'll take a few pictures of that in a minute, love. You alright, love? Good, good. Cannons! Sinead, come here. Look at that.
Sourcing materials, especially that they don't make anymore. I mean, I bought 20 years ago, in fact more than 20, 25 years ago, I bought a bolt of buckram.
Hey, look at the drop down here.
All the stiff stuff. I was only going to buy a couple of yards. And said, I'm so fed up with cutting it. You buy the whole lot.
Mary Queen of Scots was temporary held prisoner.
Sure. Sorry. Yeah, baby. Steak it. What? I don't know. Wonder where it goes. I think basically it's just where we've been, but come a different way. Yeah, I can hear the dog. It's weird that, because it's like timber. Oh no, it is stone, it's just been like smoothed and varnished or something.
No, some of it does look like there's like wood on it.
Another arrow thingy, love.
So I wonder where the... This is up the Lord's bedchamber.
Wow. That's quite a drop. I think you can stay here as well.
I'm staring at you.
Sinead.
You're not going to sit down? You're not protected from all life.
I'm gonna go into that other bit, baby.
It's a good place to have your documents and
I'll
then...
take some pictures of you. Well, these are going now. So let's have a look over here. That, guys, is where we come in. I think we'll do Lancaster Castle next there.
I'm really eager to get up there.
Oh, no fire.
That room we were just in was where they held all the documents, all that stuff, and this was the Lord's room.
Right. The Lord's room.
The Lord of the manor. Sort
The
of
Lord's
thing.
bed.
Look at that there, and it goes
Chamber.
through to that room.
Yeah, it must be to let fucking her through or something.
No, it's that's another room back there, but they've shut it off.
And that tree well smart in the middle. Where's this go? No, what? Wow.
See, and then you just want to go further, but no, they walk at all.
Well, we'll just climb over.
No, it's probably because it's all that.
It'll take you to the roof or something, won't it?
It might be a little more damaged up there.
Massive gardens. Shall I take a picture of you? Wait there, I'll take a picture. Okay. Beautiful! I think what we're at 26 quid to get in. Right, I'll love me that tree. See, that leads to the top there, look. I can't believe it, I wonder what roof. This is on the roof as well, here, look. They're all bloody locked. Yeah, it is, it's the roof. Oh, man. Take some good footage up there. See, if we're wild camped, stealth camped, we could, you know, hide away in castle on the roof. You can get pick lock kits, can't you? Pick lock it, get out. Oh.
I would just like to see every little bit of it. Especially on the little tower bits at the top, like
Yeah.
the little hidden rooms.
Did we go in that bit? No, we haven't been. Beep.
I've not followed the map.
Can you take a picture of me? Oh, where that I'll take a few pictures where that tree is. Pretty cute. Where's that bit go to? How on earth, right, is for to get up here and shoot somebody through there? I find it quite ridiculous. Oh, great. She could have lit a fire while shooting arrows. See, that's a bit wider, isn't it? This would have been for like lights, maybe candle lights. That tree's just amazing. And it's growing at me with a castle. Where's she gone now? Sinead! Look at you hiding, you little shit. What, we're in there?
And then I think we've done it all. We've actually missed loads of rooms, but
Okay.
yeah, but
I won't.
we're meant to follow this, but we didn't, so
Smell that fruit and veg.
there's all wine cellars and all
Oh. New kitchen. What's that for?
it should tell you what the exact one is
For killing people in the
for.
dread.
Wine cellars,
It might be for stomping the fruit.
Yeah.
You know, when they let they stand on the fruit,
Yeah.
and then it all leaches out into the. That's just my guess. I don't like reading things. The river. That's where we're gonna go soon, guys. I think we might go and get a brew or something, or. Oh, the kitchen. Wow. Oh, yeah, there is more rooms there, look. It's a very strange fire. Like a bit of an oven. What is it?
That leads to nowhere.
Is it?
But if you look in here, it's obviously the queue number. It's just.
I think we haven't been the other way as well. That way, you know.
Why would you go on there? It's dark. There's nothing there. Oh, God.
Oh, traffic jam. Somebody spilt a drink. Oh, we know we haven't been in here, have we? I think that is it, isn't it? Apart from that side at Castle.
It goes up anywhere, to be honest with you. Look how dark it is.
So somebody actually lives in that part of it there. It's like somebody's house. What a cool place to live. But what I thought about with Sinead is getting a lock-picking kit, getting through one of the doors up here one night before people go and locking it behind us, get on the roof and do a stealth camp on Skipton Castle roof. That would make a really good video of that. Leave a note in the comments if you would like us to do that, because I think that would make a really good video, wouldn't it?
A very illegal video.
Why is it illegal? Do you want a cup of tea for me before we go, or should we just...
Or something that's too hot to drink something hot.
No, it's not. Right guys, that's us out of the castle now. I do not like paying to go in things that's been there for centuries. What was that, 27 quid or 26 quid or something?
Yeah, 12 quid, something each.
Yeah. So it's quite expensive.
24 quid.
It's quite expensive for something that's been there for centuries, you know what I mean? So we're going to go and get a cold drink now, then we're going to go and get onto the river, do a little walk, and then we'll film the bit of a river walk for you as well. Something to do on a Saturday. We didn't want to go out and do a wild camp. Like I say, we're going to Scotland next week, so which we cannot wait to do. It is. That's the canal. What? It's a drooping willow.
Do you know if you get a big grasp of them? When I lived in Spalding, me and my friends and my sisters and all that used to grab onto them and swing over the water.
And did you?
Yeah.
Well, let me push you in here now. It's cold, isn't it? I'd love to walk through there. What?
That's an old
Mill?
mill thing, yeah. The old corn mill.
And that's the windows we was looking out of before.
Look at what it's on, look at the brick. So think about bricks underneath the castle.
Well, that's why they built them like that, but they built them on places like that so you can't get in.
Well, yeah, well that's a good point because, you know, as I said, like the fighting room is the one where they observe for, you know, people coming to fight and stuff. But also, it's just the fact that that cliff bit there that we just seen, very deep.
Yeah. It's a feat of engineering though, isn't it? Building on side of a big...
Oh yeah, I mean, it's nothing stops it from falling away one day.
I mean, that's the canal.
But it,
And that's the river. Is it the canal? Or is it two rivers?
no, it's true because you're not getting through that part of the canal.
No, you're not, are you?
No, that's
No.
it's two rivers sort of thing, I don't know.
I think it might be two rivers, you might be right. Oh, because it like canal
It's a big river and this has been built in the middle of the river.
canalways are designed for you to get through, aren't they? And you are not getting through that because it's so overgrown.
Look at all the ivy and everything going down it. Oh look,
That looks like an old railway.
somebody's house there. This must have been, that will belong to them. It's a double buggy being around.
Yeah, that's a river, that.
I wonder if it belongs to somebody. Really.
Wow. You're right.
So did you watch? Oh, so is this the end of that? Where we can
No, it's straight down there, love it. Wow.
for sale.
For sale.
Look at the guard. Oh wow. I'd be in there. And
Oh
I'd be
God,
living
yeah.
there. My mum would be in there, and I'd be in there.
Well, I'd have
What
it.
the old big wicker chairs. Oh wow.
I'd have a big teepee tent in there. Easy.
No, if my mum was nice, that's me.
I'd live in greenhouse. It's lovely, isn't it?
Actually, like, it's like sometimes when I watch videos, people doing hauls or stuff, where they do like their houses, and they're nice. I'm like, I can't watch it.
Sorry, mate.
Alright, there we go. We're getting to the bit.
Skipton Castle Woods.
It's all in one. Oh, look at that. Just look at these.
Beautiful, aren't they? Yeah. Very nice.
What's that, right?
I'm actually hungry.
On the way, when we came in, there was a little rowboat planter that said Emily on it, and that house says Emily.
Yeah.
So I'm wondering what's the history with that means. If it's just somebody new that's done it, or if it's like somebody that used to live here.
You never know, lovey. That's a water overflow
Yeah.
to come into this river.
Oh, let's have a look.
So there must be a lake up there. Well, that's the walk we've got ahead of us.
We are here.
So we come all the way, right the way. And I don't really want to go that way. We want to be going.
Skipton Castle's here. We are here. So we've walked this
So we want to cross the next bridge and come this way, back around, back this way, look,
Yeah.
back to
50
Skipton.
steps from the valley floor to the paths above.
Oh, lovely.
One of these 50 steps. So what way we go? This way, up there?
The wall that way. I was trying to take a bit of footage of this archery woman up here.
Oh yeah.
That's a cool one, isn't it?
There was they were selling them wooden balls in that thing shop. This is where people go this way and then they walk back down that way takes us back.
That's so cool. Wild camp writ all over it.
So really that's not it is a bit of a river but it's not necessarily, and that is not the canal.
No, there's no canal here, is there? It's the other side of
Yeah.
Skipton, isn't it, the canal?
I mean it might go through.
That goes right up a hill, doesn't it? We will go that way. Let's have a quick look.
And this is that big little you know the one that takes you right by the fall a little bit?
Yeah. We'll have a quick look at this waterfall here, then we'll go across that bridge and up that way. I need a wee big time.
I think this is the one that's on the road, isn't it? Or
What's that?
this would be the them steps. I think there's like there's a lot of them anyway. I think.
Oh, we can get to the little waterfall from over there, look. Right, I'll have a quick wee. I know, I'm gonna go down this embankment here. Down here. Maybe not.
So I feel like there's actually like brickwork going into it. So I wonder if this
Stone.
is man-made.
It is man-made, love, it's stonework. It's a man-made lake, baby.
Yeah, very old.
Yeah.
Running around the house. Yeah, but I was good at scaring you guys.
The Yorkshire Dales. What?
Coins.
Oh yeah.
I don't see the point. It's not a listen now, but
Get in there. Get in there and get me some money now. Get in. Get in there. Get in. Come on.
Right, stop. Try and tuck my... I will not take a dip in that water. Just
Why not?
firewood.
Oh, plenty there, honey. We just need a bloody handsaw and a tent and that'll be us for tonight, won't it? We should have brought one now.
Oh, I was going to say, what the fuck is that? But it's just that. Shit myself.
It's a wolf deer. Well, it's getting on to 4 o'clock now. I think we get some food and a few pints. I don't know.
Unless you ask these people how far long this goes till the next.
Can do, yeah, because I need to get back in time for my camera coming.
If not, then we just cross the bridge and go back.
We'll have these 2 lasses here then.
Oh, wait, I mean, there might be another door somewhere from here. There is another.
Definitely wild camping spots, isn't it, love? It's just very busy as well at the same time. Well, let's just see what's here then, at the end. Excuse me, girls. Where does this bit take you out?
Oh, that bit, I have no idea. It takes you to a main road. It's like a little snippet. But
Yeah.
if you go up and around, it'll eventually...
Takes you back to Skipton.
Yes.
That'll do us, yeah.
It takes you to, like, the top of Skipton Castle.
That'll do us.
Alright,
Thank you very much, girls. Cheers for that. Thanks. Yeah. Oh, you can eat cars now.
See,
Yeah.
if we had wellies, we could go through the tunnels.
Yeah, we could, honey.
That will lead you back round to Skipton, won't it? But this
Well,
does too, so
That's good then.
we could cross that bridge and maybe go along that way, maybe.
No, we'll go that way. Back to Skipton, yeah.
The good thing about not doing the full thing
Yeah.
is that I've got an excuse to come back now, because...
Well, it's only a short walk, love, so this is pretty much the full thing. It's only
I know it is. But
It's only a
the
short
other
walk.
side,
Well,
and the river doesn't just stop there, does it?
I'd like to do a wild camp here.
Yeah, but the river doesn't just stop there, it's just the trail stops there,
Ow.
not the river. Got a field camp on that. We could have just followed that river.
We could have done, honey. I've just ordered, guys, this morning a cast iron skillet pan and it comes tomorrow, so there'll be another video up tomorrow of us cooking. I've been to butcher's this morning. I've got 2 big racks of pork ribs and I've got the butchers to season them in a dry rub, a barbecue dry rub, and I've been and bought a big tub of a wet barbecue, like a sauce, you know, a no barbecue sauce, a massive tub. So we're going to do some cast iron skillet, slow cooked ribs, ribs on the fire.
I love ribs.
Yeah, and then I think Monday, maybe Tuesday, we'll do a slow cooked brisket on the fire pit as well.
That would be good. I've never tried that.
Yeah, because I think what we could do is make a brisket, and then after the brisket we can do, you know, we can have our tea out of it, and then we can do a pie on the outdoor fire with it as well. So that's going to be interesting. Yeah, I've never done a slow cooked brisket in my life, but yeah, we'll see how that goes. And I'll just pan the camera around, look at the size of this tree. It is humongous. And loads of firewood here, wow. Aye baby, this would be perfect for camping.
This one that just bends over the wall.
You know why it's done that, don't you?
There's a wall there.
Yeah, but it wants to get out of the forest because of this
Towards the
big
light.
tree taking up all the light, so it's curved itself out. Let's see, you have to adapt and overcome sometimes in life, Sinead.
What was I going to say?
Look at this, do you?
The,
Load of free logs. Sat there.
hoppers.
Baby, baby, look at this.
Yeah, but what I'm going to say, the log hoppers, that you know, the thing
Yeah.
with the couple.
UK log
They
hoppers.
done the video where he was telling you like how to navigate through stuff
North,
and like reasons
south,
why
yeah.
certain trees will face
North
certain
facing,
ways
yeah.
as well, yeah.
You can tell with the moss on one side, which is north facing. You can pretty much tell where north is. Look at that. That's another big colossal one. Holy muddies.
This one is like bramble with branches all over itself.
Yeah. Anyway guys, so my new camera comes today, but it's cost me 620 quid. It's like a DJI 360 pocket thing. It's a bit extortionate, I know, but we'll see how it goes. So I want to do my barbecue spur ribs with my new camera. Hopefully tonight I can figure it out. Now we're not in, we wanted to come out here today, so I'm hoping I haven't lost 620 quid because they've just dumped it on the doorstep and somebody's robbed it. But anyway, we'll soon see. Whew. Moo! Hello. Hello. Come on.
It's like flushing the toilet and now you've got to run.
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
Across that bridge.
Oh, okay.
We're not going back onto that same track, love.
Okay, we want that round. They're very close.
Getting shared, aren't they? Right guys, we've found another good camping spot. The trail's back over there near the wall. And yeah. Where's the trail down there?
It looks like there maybe used to be one.
This is like a total different area. The trail's right over there, love. You can see like, I don't know. So you're quite safe here because you've got a river that borders you. Perfect here though, isn't it?
I like this little area.
I like this area as well. And there's loads of big felled logs just there, guys. Oh yes. Right, so we've found a good few spots here in Skipton. We might come back and do. And then hopefully we do that before we migrate to Scotland for good.
No, because if they're living in a van, we need to at certain times.
Yeah, I
When we're
suppose.
not working somewhere
I suppose so, babies.
or planting trees.
Yeah.
An old trail going down there that's cut off.
What?
I said there were an old trail going down there that's cut
Was
off.
there?
This big cliffhanger.
Right, let's get back to Skipton. Or
I got it.
someone jogging here.
No. Here's Martin. Maybe look at some bites and picks again as usual.
You alright? Get to look at that, huh?
You. Boobs on Facebook and everything.
I don't do
Yes, you do, you liar.
that.
He also has half naked women. And
She's lying. I don't know what she's on about.
I
Whoa.
will send you. I've got proof.
I'm gonna.
Screenshot his face. fucking trips a day boat hire, so you can go out for the day, and maybe
Yeah,
they
you
can have
can,
a bit
yeah.
of food in there or something.
Yeah, you
but
can,
there's
yeah. Buzzing.
people. So there's like tables